Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo ibi tí ẹ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Tẹ bá rí ẹgbẹ́ mi dáadáa, ẹ rí i pé odò ni ẹni tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Wọn kì í ṣàìmọ̀ fún olóko. Ẹ dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé tẹ bá ti rí wọn báyìí fún ìdí pàtàkì kan tàbí ìkejì ni ẹ fi rí wọn, àbí ni mo fi láǹfààní láti gbé wọn wá. Láì dènà pẹ̀lú láì fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọpọ̀lọ péjọ lórí ètò yìí. A ti ń gbọ́, ẹ ti máa gbọ́ wípé ó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà, ó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà. Kí ló ń bọ̀ lọ́nà gangan? Ẹ ti máa rí lóríṣiríṣi skit tí wọ́n ti ṣe lọ́tùn, tí wọ́n ti ṣe lósì láti lè ṣe ìgbélárugẹ fún sinimá wọ̀nyí, èyí tí ó ń bọ̀ tí wọ́n pè ní Sí Ọlọ́run. Sí Ọlọ́run ni àkọlé movie yìí, àkọlé eré yìí tó ti ọwọ́ ẹni tí ń ṣe gbajúgbajà adẹ́rìn pẹ̀kẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn ọ̀hún sí Lizzy J. So now wọ́n wà pẹ̀lú mi, so wọ́n máa yànnàná gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó dá lórí kí ni ká máa retí nípa movie Sí Ọlọ́run.
Ìwọ ló pè mí ní ìmọ́lẹ̀ o, òkè nígbà fún tiwa, owó rẹ̀ ló rè mí lọ́nà yọ, ìyẹn mo dì mú mo fi débí, tọ́ mi sọ́nà má jẹ́ ṣìnà, ṣe mọ́lẹ̀ mi títí ayé. Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? How is the weather with you? I'm here to pass a very important information to everyone. So I don't know if you've heard about my film, my upcoming film, See Olorun, A Letter to God, that is coming on my YouTube channel, Lizzy J TV, the 10th of July. If you have heard about the film, if you have seen it anywhere that, oh, Lizzy is bringing film, please let me drop it in the comment section and say, oh, yes, of course, now we know you are coming with a film. If you know about my film, if you know about See Olorun, A Letter to God, please drop a comment. Say, I know about it. I already know. I just want to know if everyone here has been following the updates, the contents, about the film. So if you know, if you are aware that I'm bringing out a movie this Friday, please drop a comment. So See Olorun is going to be out on Friday by 4 p.m. on Lizzy J TV on YouTube. Emma fall from any other person. Please, Friday is so far. Share that movie now, please. On Friday is 4 p.m. I can't share it now because we also need to, make a lot of people be aware, and because the time is already set on YouTube for Friday. So Friday, 4 p.m., you get to watch the film. Friday is just around the corner. You get to watch the film on Lizzy J TV. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel now. Because I've been trying to edit content, I've been trying to get content together, I've been trying to, promote the film the little way that I can. Which I know that I've done my best and I've left the rest for God to do. But I'm also begging you guys to please turn up on Friday by 4 p.m. to watch See Olorun on Lizzy J TV. Only on Lizzy J TV. Please. Any other See Olorun that you are seeing on YouTube before Friday, please, Emma, it is fake. The only channel that you are going to see Olorun on Friday is on Lizzy J TV. The best search for See Olorun and make sure you Lizzy J TV in channel. Or better still, go and subscribe to my channel now, so that when the film premieres, you immediately get notification that the film is on already. So please, Ejo, tell everybody around you, your friends, your family, that See Olorun is coming to Lizzy J TV. This is my first YouTube film. This is the first film that will be going on my channel. Please, I want you to support me, Ejo. I'm actually calling on you, asking for your support, because I know that I need your support. So I need you to please watch. On Friday by 4 p.m. it's going to be on Lizzy J TV. Watch my film. It's a film you will love. Trust me. It is a film you would relate to. You will love it. I'm so proud of what I have done. I have so much confidence in what I have done that it's a good film. It's a film you people will love. And it's a story that you've not seen before. I'm also confident of that. I'm also confident about that. So please, watch, share, tell everybody about my film. Tell everybody that Lizzy is bringing out a film, See Olorun, on YouTube for the very first time. I've been creating content, been making content, posting content on my YouTube channel, but this time it's a full-blown movie. A very interesting film. Spiritual, emotional. You will relate. Trust me. So and please don't download. That's another thing. Don't download. Please watch directly on YouTube, because that's the only way that the views will count. And that's the only way it will help me to, make money to make another film. Olorun this Sunday. Me le arrest yin. E kan ba mi wo ni. E kan e wo ni. Watch the film. You will love it. I promise you. I promise you will love it. You will really, 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 really love it. Yeah. Friday by 4 p.m. on Lizzy J TV. Lizzy J TV. Ẹ má gbàgbé. Lizzy J TV. See Olorun, a letter to God. Lizzy J TV. See Olorun, a letter to God. Lizzy J TV. See Olorun, a letter to God by 4 p.m. on Friday. You need to watch that film. It's interesting. You need to watch it. And I'm going to be dropping the trailer on Thursday. I can't wait for you all to see the trailer. I cannot wait. And please, when I drop the trailer, let me share it. Let me share it across your social media platforms, your WhatsApp, your Facebook story, anywhere that you have audience that are, that listen to you. I can't wait to share the trailer to you. Trust me, you will love it. You will love it. So, fear they catch me to watch it. I don't want to cry. Watch it. You will learn too. You will also learn. I know it's emotional, but you will also learn. You will love it. You will relate to some extent. I promise you. I'm waiting. Yes, so don't worry. Don't worry. Friday is around the corner by 4 p.m. Friday is around the corner. T4 bats in Dubai. Film a rush lọ sí YouTube. Kí YouTube gan mọ̀ pé kí ló dé, what's this engagement about? Let's shake YouTube on Friday. And I know we can do it. I know that we can do it. Friday by 4 p.m. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Favor Danny, Abi now. Thank you so much. Mo wá o, Faith Adefioye, mo wá dáadáa o, ẹ̀sìn mi o. Sọmọ ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ́yìn náà ni. Ọmọ ọ̀fẹ́ ni yín, níbo lọ̀gbọ̀nrín ń fẹ́? Oyinkansola, thank you so much for loving me, and I love you too. Ẹ ṣé gan. Níbo lọ̀gbọ̀nrín lè fẹ́? Anu Oluwapo Okonla, I'm also an actor. I really love if I could be on set with you. Well, send me a DM, but that's not a promise. That's not to say, oh, okay, no problem. But send me a DM. Maybe if I go through your page, if there's anything, I could. But like I said, it's not a promise. It's not a promise. Rebecca, thank you so much. Rebecca, thank you. God bless you. Rumi Remilekun, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, I'll see you later. I hope that my time here is worth it, that I've been able to tell you all to be expectant of the masterpiece that I did. See Olorun. Even from the title, you will know that it's a film you will love. Timothy Babawale. I am fine, I'm okay. Where's your friend Kiekie? She's fine, she's okay. She's doing her thing. She's also filming at the moment. Ọmọ ọ̀fẹ́ ni mí o, Ìlàrẹ̀ ọmọ Ìlàrẹ̀ lẹ́yìn. Ẹ̀sìn o. Please, what about Kiekie? She's fine, she's okay. You cannot always see us together. She has a life, I have a life too. Different lives. So we come together when we need to do. We come together when we need to do something. So you can't always see us together. But when it is important, you will see us. Yeah. My face is tight. I've been minding my face. My eyes are tiny. I need to take some rest.
Okay. Ká tó máa tẹ̀sí ọwọ́ wájú. Lizzy J, à ń gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi awuyè kódà lórí ojú òpó YouTube àti rí àwọn èèyàn kan tí wọ́n ti ń lo àwòrán múvì yín tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà, ìyẹn lẹ́tà sí Ọlọ́run, tí wọ́n ti fi ń lò ó fún àwọn nǹkan míì lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára tí ó jẹ́ YouTube. A wá fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ẹ bá wa tan ìmọ́lẹ̀ sí gan. Kí lẹ lè sọ nípa àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí, àti pé àwọn olólùfẹ́ yín wọ́n ń retí ojúlówó ọ̀rọ̀ láti ọ̀dọ̀ yín lórí sinimá yìí tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà àti pé ìjọ́ wo gan lẹ fẹ́ release trailer, ìjọ́ wo gan ni ká máa retí movie yìí lójú òpó YouTube ti yín gangan. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ẹ bá wa ṣàlàyé àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí délẹ̀ dáadáa.
I hope you get the most important information that I came here to pass, which is number one, don't fall for any other channel using my thumbnail on YouTube. Don't fall for them. They are fake. The only channel that you're going to watch, see Olorun, A Letter to God, is Lizzy TV, and that will be on Friday by 4 p.m. That will be on Friday by 4 p.m. You're going to watch See Olorun on Lizzy TV. Lizzy TV, Nicola Sileri. So that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you all for joining. I love you all. Thank you so much for the constant support. Thank you so much for always being there for me. God bless you. See you later. Bye.
So what we need to do for this film, See Olorun, A Letter to God, to trend, we need to do things differently. We should not do it the way other people are doing it. So we need change. Change.
That one is simple now. That won't change. 100 get change, though. If I have this money, I'm happy because that's all we need. Change.
You know what? Scrap that. Let's leave that one. I think what we need is repositioning.
What's going on here? Let's have it.
So what's it? Blue, pink. Black. Oh, black. The color is graduating to the position.
Okay, let's do it one more time. I think we should try to converse with people one-on-one. We need one-on-one.
Okay, so we do. I think we should sit down on the edge. Okay, one face and one face and so my sister. See Olorun, A Letter to God. It's going to Lizzy TV or YouTube. You have to tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your but you should have church. Pastor.
For 2026, so see what human being they do for 2026.
See
What's going on here?
Uncle, please don't stress me. If you drive down, you see me standing beside a trash can. I'm wearing a pink top. I said I'm wearing a pink top. Don't stress me. Just drive down. You see me. Hey, yeah. Are you siblings? Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me find something little to give you. La.
Keep having fun, bike.
I'm so sorry, oh. I'm so sorry.
Jesus. See what human being they do for 2026.
Hey! Me and crippled now. Wonderful. You see why I like Lagos? People that have the disability now, they'll not see help. So you can run. What God cannot do does not exist.
See Olorun.
Ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. Ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni. Èmi tìyín tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí. Èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.